Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get right to it. Time to get this bad stuff up. So I'm putting the stuff in piles over here, over there. Then I'll get my lawnmower and simply remove it. One of the first things I'll do is lower the height of the lawnmower. If you adjust the settings too low, you might not even be able to push the lawnmower. As a reminder, I'm doing both sides the same. I might not show everything though. Finished with the first cut. Let's do a little more raking. Want the lawnmower a bit more, so I'm actually scalping. I'll do the other side as well. Got the works trimmer edge out for the areas that the lawnmower couldn't get. Let's blow this debris out the way. Hey, we got the boys in blue out today. First phase complete. Yeah, part of the process. Part of the process. Lengthy, but it's a must. Looks presentable now. What do you think? At my favorite, have to pick up some supplies. Got what I need, please take a note of it. Topsoil, peat moss, and rapid growth. A couple days later, I took a break, come back, and my neighbors left me a present. As you can see, as always, this isn't neighborly. Not at all. And I'm tired of it. All the way down. Have to take care of that. So the work is going to be delayed. You know what, folks? You have to embrace this part of it. Every now and then you'll be faced with some bumps in the road. I just don't want their weeds in my grass. That's all. Might as well rake over here one more time. What harm would it do? Pulled some weeds, removed some debris. Might be overkill, but this is the Whitley way. Already put the topsoil down on the right side. Now I'm on the left side. Hey, got somebody driving past. Order restored. At least for now. This is what you want to see. Exactly what you want to see. Okay, time to put down those seeds. Yes, the star of the show. Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass grows 2 times faster. This isn't for the Whitley Green folks. This is for the new people. First thing I do is put down 1 layer of seeds. Next step, I take my rake and spread the seeds. After that, I put down a 2nd layer of seeds. Yes, I get my rake again and I spread those too. Now we have new topsoil and seeds in the ground. This side will be exactly the same. I just won't show everything. Again, get your rake, spread those seeds. Can't forget the peat moss. I use this to keep the birds away. Second to last is starter fertilizer. Sweep the peat moss off the walkway and push it where it belongs. At this point, my only concern is the weather. Wasn't as hot on the first. 2 days later, hot, muggy. Worried about the seeds drying out. Worried about them not germinating. But I had to do something. Something is a whole lot better than nothing. I'll water for the next several weeks, then we'll come back and view the results. You know the motto, take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.